my name is Alex. Drones are useful tools. They are used in many situations. They can help farming, safety, security, mapping, and product management. First, drones can invade your privacy. Drones may fly over your houses. Some have good purposes while others have bad purposes. Drones that have bad purposes may fly over your houses and take pictures of your family. And they can gather information about your family, and they can use the information publicly. Drones can be dangerous by carrying poisons or bombs. Drones can carry dangerous items. Anti-drone laws can stop drones to prevent the problem, but some drones will resist with their dangerous items or avoid their sight. We must prevent them by making strong drone laws. If not, drones will drop dangerous items. Third, drones can be loud. A drone may deliver food in your residence. Another drone may deliver food in your residence, and drones gather. Finally, lots of drones may fly near your residences. They can make very loud noise. Some residents said that the sounds were like a running chainsaw. The only solution is to take out the noise far from any residences. Drones have many problems. We must make strong drone laws and prevent the problems. If we use drones correctly, they will be good, not bad. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Alice. Drones can have many things, even people. It has many advantages, but it's impossible to have advantages only. There are two problems of using drones. First, safety. Safety is the important problem of using drones. Normal drones that people use can fly for only 10 to 20 minutes. It means it can fall while flying. When it hits two people, it can be a serious injury. Then, is there a solution of this problem? Yes, there is. The drone controller can warn that the drone has low battery or the other drone is too close to the drone. Second, privacy. This problem is not belong to people who fly drones for fun. It belongs to people who fly drones with cameras. As you know, we can take pictures while flying a drone. It's a good function, but bad people are abusing this to collect others' privacies. It can be used in crime. By watching other people's house, the robber can steal valuable things in your house. Then, is there a solution of this problem? But unfortunately, there is no exact solutions of this problem. The only solution is to heighten the punishment of the crime. In conclusion, there are many problems, but also solutions of using drones. We should be careful when we use drones. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Ellie. Look at the sky. Is there drones are flying? Maybe several are flying. Today, drones are used in many parts in the world, like rescuing people, searching, or just talking. Many people use drones, so there are many kinds of drones. One boy said that he wanted to buy a drone, but it has too many kinds of drones, so he just gave up. In this situation, we can avoid sand-mine, but also there's lots of drones. In the world, we can dive into toy, in racing, and industrials. First, there are drones that are toy. Most people are using drones for hobby or use this. Every kinds of drones except racing and industrials are used to call just toy drones in America. Second, there are racing drones. It used to play sports. The fastest racing car often fly by 288 kilometers per hour. They are industrial drones. It used to take a picture for mapping and for delivery, and also for injuries. So we can know that there are many kinds of drones. Then let's know about drones history. The first drone was invented in 1935. A US admiral named William Stanley was invented it. Of course, the reason for the invention of that time was the military power. At this time, the British plane was called Queen Bee, so it was named Male Bee drone to counter it. At that time, the drone meant male bee. One thing is sure, that drones are developing day by day. In the future, the sky will be full of drones. If you want to know about some future, you have to know some drones. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Hello, my name is Irene. The drones using in many ways in our society. For example, the drones can reach places that people cannot. Also, the drones can deliver food or medicine. However, why we can see the drones in our society, today I will tell you about what exactly the drones problems. First, the drones can be used in evil purposes. For example, a drone pilot can be secretly filming you. Then your video can be shared on the every internet. Then who are watching this video can be used this publicly. Then you will get lost your privacy and personal information. Second, the traffic jam in the sky will be complicated. That cause the drones cannot be marked on the sky at this time, so the drones can be crushing each other and fall down to the ground. If the drones fall down to the ground, it may cause pollution. And if the drones fly in the sky, the people can get damages because of the drone's noise and crash into the window. Third, we can see the beautiful sky because of the drones. Then we can only see if the drones fly in the sky, we can only see just drone sky, and it will be very difficult to predict the weather in the sky. Today, I'll told you about what exactly the drones problems. I think we need drones in our lives, but too much using drones can be damaged. So I think we need to learn how to use drones in our society safely. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Sally. Do you know when we use drones? We use drones good ways like find criminals or farming, etc. But drones can use bad ways too. Drones have a lot of problems. Today I will tell you about drones problems. First, they can take a picture. They can take a picture of good things, but they can take off bad things. If criminals take a picture to beg for money, it could be dangerous. Second, they can carry something. They can carry some good things, but they can carry bad things too. If they carry a bomb and do some mistakes, it could be dangerous. My opinion is drones are dangerous. Today I told you about drones problems. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Hello, my name is Sojan. I think drones are used drones are intelligent.
Hello, my name is Anthony. Many people use drones in various ways. People use drones in agriculture, scientific fields, military, TV programs, delivery, and more. They help people many times, but there are problems too. I will tell you 2 problems of using drones. First, drones can use in bad ways. If drone used in terror or weapon, that will hurt people. For example, drones can carry bomb to the building and blow it up. Also, drones can carry guns and shoot it to others. It's really dangerous if someone uses drones in these bad ways. Second, drone pilot can make mistakes. Drone pilot can make mistakes and drones can bump into people or objects. Also, drones can have error and fall down. There are real accidents that drones fell down. Drones fell down in soccer field, parks, apartments, and the White House in US too. These accidents didn't hurt people, but it's very dangerous accidents. In conclusion, drones are very useful tools, but we have to use drones in right ways and make solutions of these problems. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Ryan. Today I will tell you about how drones are used. Then let's start. First, drones can invade your personal space. If drones invade your personal space, drones can get your information and they can use for bad purposes. Second, drones can take a picture. If drone pilot get even money and take a picture, drones can take a picture of your family or your picture and they can upload it to some website. Second, drone pilot can control the drone freely. For example, prisoner decided to escape the jail. Prisoner can control drone to get key and prisoner can escape. Finally, drones can crush each other. We should run away and someone can hurt by the accident. Drones have lots of some problems. How can we solve it? Maybe we should make a law. Then thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Hina. Today I'll explain about drones use and its problem. Do you know anything about drones use? I'll explain about drones use first. Drones are used in variety fields, but I think first of all delivery drone. Delivery drone can deliver food or object. In some other country, they use delivery drone. Second, I get camera drone. Some TV program or photographer use camera drone. The reason that they use this are because they can fly high and fast, and they can take a picture of danger place. I will start to explain about that problem. First, I will explain about delivery drone's problem. I told you about delivery drone a moment ago, but it has a few disadvantages. First, it costs a lot of money. Drones are very expensive, so self-ownership almost can't be used wrong. Second, it is dangerous because of birds. There are many high overseas birds in the world, and some of them they cannot take delivery drone. Second, I'll explain about camera drone's problem. Although it is a problem, bad guys can take a picture or film video of your people secretly, like your restroom or your house. And they can take a picture or film video of famous entertainers' privacy. In several cases, they can take a picture or film video of your privacy, like taking a shower or changing clothes. Today I told you about drones use and that's problem. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Sojan. I think in the future we will use drones many ways. Drones are good for people. For example, drones are used in fishing. Drones can find the fish's location and drive the fish to the fisherman. Drones can guide the rider when the cars in front of it. Also, drones can gather information and help the weather forecast. But if good things, bad things exist, then means drones are not just good. So for drones have some problems. I will tell you two problems. If drones have an error, people will confuse the word in dangerous. Drones are using fishing. Drones are using glider, fishing, etc. Drones can sensing the weather, sea, and etc. If drones have an error, drones can give to people wrong information, so people are constantly in dangers. Another thing is, even an ordinary drones can make terror. It's a very scary and dangerous fact because other objects need to special equipment if make a terror, but drones are not that. Only learn how to control the drone and explode the bomb or spread the poison. So drones have some problems too. Do we need a lot of drones now? I think not yet. There are more problems exist. If we use the drones in more many ways, I think we need to find the solutions problem. Thanks for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Jake. There are many problems with using drones, but I tell you two. First, the drones have a short battery. The batteries installed in most drones only lasted about 10 to 20 minutes. In order to be used for a long time, it is necessary to perhaps extend the auxiliary battery. And even in this case, there is a problem that the operation of the drone must be temporarily stopped to exchange the battery. Second, drone's safety. In particular, when the individual uses it, the risk of safety incident due to a momentary mistake is high. Or if a drone placed into densely populated area, the area due to inexperienced operation and unexpected situation might fly. In conclusion, in concentrating the number of concentration may occur. In fact, there was an area of living using a drone of the filming site of the popular drama there. Thank you for listening to my presentation.